I was sent this sliding camera lens protecting kickstand case for the Google Pixel 8 to review from Simtect. So let's take a look. First of all, let's go over this sliding lens protector. When you don't have it locked, it will move freely, but it does lock into place. Snappity snap. Now it will stay open and it won't shut by accident. And then when you do want to shut it, you just pull it up and then snap it up. And now it will stay shut, protecting those camera lenses when you have it on the table or when you have it in a bag. They won't get scratched, they won't get dirty. This is amazing. But that's not all. It also has a kickstand that lays nice and flat here. You just pull it out. It's gonna adjust about 90 degrees anywhere within here. So this is gonna allow you to stand it vertically or horizontally. And that's not all. It also is gonna rotate 360 degrees to use it as a kickstand so you can view and use your phone vertically or horizontally. You can also use it as a ring grip to kind of get a better hold of the phone, or if you need to do like a hands-free kind of thing, you've got 2 cups of coffee you're holding on to. It's nicely rounded on the inside, so it's not uncomfortable to use as a ring like some of those metal kickstands are. And then you just snap it back in there. Looks really nice and tough, and it is tough. It is shockproof with 16-foot military grade drop protection. When this is open, it has a 3mm camera lens bezel and 2.5mm raised lip over your screen. It has a hard PC back, but it's still pretty flexible. It's got soft TPU bumpers. The buttons are covered. The ports are open. It's also slim enough that it's gonna go in and out of your pocket, easy peasy. Do keep in mind this ring here prevents it from being mag safe and prevents it from allowing wireless charging, but the camera lens cover and the kickstand here are outstanding features, making this an amazing case for your Google Pixel 8 from Simtect.